So I mentioned when I was installing this DRO that I had to replace the standard arm with this one to make it fit, which kind of left me with a spare arm, support arm. So I've just made use of it another unconventional way. Managed to squeeze it into that corner and it holds an array of lathe tools. They just slip onto those brackets. Like that. And I can still get at everything because I really needed to sort those lathe tools out. As you can see, the shelf is still full, but at least they're not doubled up now with a line behind and a line in front. Now the most commonly used ones are on this rack. Everything is accessible, so that's one solution to space saving. There's got to be a limit to how much stuff I can fit in here. I just haven't reached it yet. It just requires ever more clever methods of fitting things in, I think. Anyway, I didn't make a video about actually making this thing. I mean, it was just drilling and cutting up angles, aluminium angle, so pretty boring really. But as an idea, it's there. Okay.